Question 45. This question is a clause question, and it's a bit of an unusual one. So what we're going to start off by doing is finding where our verb is. So our verb here is designed, and then the subject is McCoy. McCoy designed automated oilers for steam engines. Now this is an independent clause because if we look before McCoy, we don't have one of our dependent clause markers, which are subordinate conjunctions, relative pronouns, prepositions, or participles. Therefore, we know we have an independent clause. Now if we go to A, with A, we have a participle, and then we have a comma between McCoy and recognizing. So what this establishes is we have a comma here, and we have a comma here. And when we have the structure, we call this an interruption. Now, the test to see if this is a valid interruption is we see if we can remove this from the sentence, and the sentence still makes sense. If we did that, it would say, McCoy designed automated oilers for steam engines. That works. That means we have a valid exception there. So with A, we don't have any issues. Now we go to B. The issue is we have two independent clauses. Right? We have McCoy would recognize, right? That's our verb, that's our subject. But we're not using one of the five ways to separate them. Right? All we have here that's separating them is a comma. But when you have two independent clauses, you need a comma fanboys, a period, a semicolon, or a colon, or an em dash. And since we don't have that on B, that's out. And D is out for that same reason, right? Two independent clauses, we don't have one of the five ways. Then with C, C says, McCoy, a recognition of the similarities between train wheels and factory machines. That just sounds incoherent. We would not say a recognition of. We would say recognizing. That's why C is out, leaving A as the right answer.